Here we go again for another mini vlog. Medyo haggard over na ako. I'm so Inglesero talaga. Guys, sorry. So gusto ko lang naman to i-share itong aking happy moments today kasi finally dumating na ang aking pinakihintay, ang aking PC na lumana pero ni-reborn namin ng aking good friend na si Polly since 2012. This is bit 2016. Nung ako'y nangarap maging vlogger, ito ang una kong PC para makapag-vlog ako, makapag-edit and everything. At ngayon, 9 years later, buhay pa rin siya. Ito ang kwento ng aking PC at na-prank pa talaga ako dito. Panoorin nyo na lang guys, napakasaya nito. Sana maging good vibes ito sa inyo, if you know what I mean. Let's go! Hello my friend! Oy. Oh my God, here's the goods!
Ito yung...
It's been what we're waiting for. Thank you so much my friend.
You're welcome.
Your lady driver is so good! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Look at inside. It's a prank. What? It's a prank. Wala naman.
Ano yan? It's a different?
Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Malat, the keys. That's the keys. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Oh my God. What did you do? What did you do? Megan, what? I don't know what's going on. Oh, yung PC ko wala na laman. So Polly did something fishy here. What's going on? Oh my God. Oh my God, what? I'm surprised. So this is a totally different? Oh my God. Hang on. What's going on? This is my old case. I don't know what's going on, but Polly need to explain. I'm so... Ano ba yan? I'm so Inglesera talaga. Talaga. Oh my God. Oh my God. So what's going on? What's going on? This is brand new? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It looks awesome.
So yung motherboard mo, everything, naman lahat nandiyan. Pero the cases mo, obviously yung GPU kasi sira na yung sa'yo. Bago na yan, yung cases also new. Tapos even yung cooler mo yan.
Ito, bago nito?
Oh,
It's a different? Ay, iba na to.
So sa'yo na yan, tabi mo na yan.
Oh my God.
Yung fan na hindi ko lang mabuhasan.
Oh. Hindi ko na po problema. Iniisip ko na ito kung paano ito. Kaya ba tinatanong mo ako? Yung papalitan ko?
Yun yung purpose ko na ito papalitan mo ito. Hindi. Para maayos na ito.
Ito na to? Oh my God. Okay. What's this? Like the handlebar. Oh my God. One hand. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here. Oh. Mount it here. Oh,
it's
that's
done.
it.
It's done.
It's screw it.
Yes, sir.
Just like that. It's LG. Oh my God. Ngayon natapos na namin yung monitor buuin. Polly came up with a great idea kung paano namin to ayusin para mas magandang tingnan. So pinull up namin yung ginilid namin yung lamesa, tapos pinull out yung ating pedestal, tapos ipapatong natin yung CPU sa pedestal. It looks good. I have my seal of approval. Ang galing mo talaga, my friend. So, yun na nga nangyari guys. Sobrang happy ko today. Kaya gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang nangyari. If you know what I mean. Etong ating PC guys, yan ang ating CPU, na bago ang case, bago lang ang video card, and the rest, nice lang ni Polly, pero it's still the same thing. At nakikita nyo yung aking monitor, oh my god, I'm so happy with this. It's a 34-inch LG TV ultra wide. Thanks Polly for hooking me up with this bad boy. Nakita mo may plastic pa yan. So hindi ko pa muna natatanggalin kasi nabasag yun sa akin dati. Ito ang aking monitor. Ito pa rin yung luma. Pero hindi pa siya gumagana na maayos kasi kailangan palitan ng cable kasi iba yung cable niya para ma-extend natin dito. So ito nga pala ang aking project. EAF Office. Marami pa. Inuna ko lang ito yung PC pero marami pa akong pangkalat dito. Ayan. Yung aircon, yung blinds. I don't know. Comment below kung anong tingin yung pwede natin gawin dito sa ating office para mas maganda at mas masayang mag-work dito, if you know what I mean. So yun lamang guys, marami pa akong gagawin dito and everything. For free financial planning, message me if you know what I mean. Bye guys, till next video. Subscribe, follow for more.